Tan An, let me congratulate you on becoming GCR Accredited Clinic for Kim Dental, for proving a high level of expertise, facilities, services and patient feedback. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Here is your certificate. Welcome to family of GCR Accredited Clinics.
My name is Nguyễn Thanh An. I'm right now the Deputy CEO of the Kim Dental, and I in charge the main on the quality. So I take care of the quality of our system of the Kim Dental. Actually, Kim Dental right now until this moment we have 26 clinics around Vietnam. I mean the north of Vietnam, the middle of Vietnam, the south of Vietnam, and the west of Vietnam. And we plan to build up to maybe 50 and even 100 clinics around Vietnam. And if we can do that better, we will expand to the Southeast Asia to serve not only for the Vietnam people but the area. And for Kim Dental right now we have the company for IT and the contact center, because our group and our growth is going quite fast. So we feel that just for Kim Dental, and especially we have the private lab with more than 60 technicians working in the laboratory. For the CRM system, we have more than 100 staff to serve our customer. When the customer come to us, the contact center will take the information and then we put in the system, because that is very important. The staff at the clinic will know the information of the customer before the customer go to the clinic, so they have prepared the best way to serve for the customer. And the contact center, they will get all the complaint, all the feedback from the customer to the Kim Dental, and then we know what happened with the customer. We will contact them and work with them to make customer happy every day better.